Hello students, today we are going to solve second numerical of rate analysis. Question is given as analyze the rate which will cost in construction of 1 meter cube M20 concrete work. Now we know that for M20 concrete the ratio will be equals to 1 raised to 1.5 raised to 3, that is for cement, for fine aggregate it is sand, and for coarse aggregate. Now as per thumb rule, quantity of cement for 10 meter cube of concrete will be equals to 15.2 divided by 1 plus 1.5 plus 3. On solving this, we will get the total quantity as 2.763 meter cube. That will be the quantity of cement. Now we can calculate the quantity of sand also. So quantity of sand will be equals to 2.763 into 1.5, it will be equals to 4.14 meter cube. Similarly, quantity of aggregate, that is coarse aggregate, will be equals to 2.763 into 3, it will be equals to 8.28 meter cube. That will be the quantity of cement, quantity of sand, and quantity of aggregate. Now we need to find the quantity of cement in kg, that is quantity of cement in kg. We have the quantity of cement in meter cube, that is 2.763 in meter cube. Now we need to multiply it by the density of cement, which will be equals to 1440 kg per meter cube. Now from this meter cube will cancel out. After multiplying 2.763 into 1440, we will get the total quantity as 3978.72 kg. That will be the quantity of cement. Now we need to find the number of bags of cement. Number of bags of cement, it will be equals to 3978.72 divided by 50, because the weight of one bag of cement is 50 kg. On solving this, we will get the answer as 79.57 bags, which will be nearly equals to 80 bags of cement. Now we have to do the rate analysis for 10 meter cube of concrete. The quantity of cement comes out as 80 bags. Now the rate of one bag of cement is 300 rupees per bag. After multiplying this, we will get the total cost as 24,000. Similarly, for sand, the total quantity will be equals to 4.14 meter cube and the rate will be equals to 750 per meter cube. After multiplying this, we will get the cost as 3105 rupees. Similarly, for aggregate, the quantity is 8.28 meter cube and the rate will be 1000 rupees per meter cube. After multiplying this, we will get the total rate as 8280 rupees. After adding all these, we will get the total as 35385 rupees. That will be the total of cement, sand, and aggregate. Now for labor, for 10 meter cube of concrete work, the number of masons required per day is 6 masons and the cost will be 450 rupees per day. On multiplying this, we will get the answer as 2700 rupees. Similarly, for bhisti, 8 bhisti will be required per day and the cost will be 415 rupees per day. It will be equals to 3320 rupees. Similarly, for beldar, 23 beldar per day will be required and whose cost is 375 rupees per day. On multiplying this, we will get 8625 rupees. So the total of all these will be equals to 14645 rupees. That will be the total cost of labor. Other charges will be for transportation and placement. The charges will be 1000 rupees approximately. So the total will be for all the materials, for labors, and for transportation and placement, the total will be equals to 51030 rupees. That will be the total of all the amounts. Now the total amount will be equals to 51030 rupees. Now we need to add water and electricity charges at the rate 5%. So it will be equals to 5 by 100 of 51030. It will be equals to 2551.5 rupees. Now we need to add contingencies at the rate 5%. It will be equals to 5 by 100 into 51030. It will be equals to 2551.5 rupees. Similarly, we need to add overhead charges at the rate 5% and it will be equals to 5 by 100 into 51030. It will be equals to 2551.5 rupees. Now we need to add contractor's profit at the rate 10%. It will be equals to 10 by 100 into 51030. It will be equals to 5103 rupees. So the total cost of 10 meter cube of concrete will be equals to a sum of all these, which will be equals to 63787.5 rupees. But we want answer for 1 meter cube of concrete work and we had find for 10 meter cube of concrete. So total cost of 1 meter cube of concrete will be equals to 63787.5 divided by 10. It will be equals to 6378.75 rupees. That is all about this numerical. Thank you very much, students.